You wanted to see me, sir?
I have an assignment for you. Sit there. We did it, people. Now let's get them off the plane, let bomb disposal do their work.